Setting P90X2 apart from other workouts is the team of experts involved with its development. One of the main contributors was Dr. Marcus Elliott, a Harvard-educated doctor who has trained some of the world's elite athletes to reach their maximum potential.
I've had this interest in raising the bar in sports science since I was a kid. I've worked with Olympic athletes since I was 18. I studied sports science, and then I studied sports medicine at Harvard. But the whole time my interest is trying to be smarter about building athletes, smarter about the athlete development.
One of Dr. Elliott's main contributions to P90X2 is a unique training method called PAP, which stands for Post-Activation Potentiation.
It's essentially this concept that there are a certain number of muscle cells that are asleep when you do a power-based movement. But if we do a strength movement, before we do that power-based movement, those muscle cells are going to be activated. We're going to wake them up. And so when you do that power movement, you've got more of those muscle cells on board, so you can execute the movement with more power. An example of PAP would be a step up into a skater plyometric, or it might be a squat into a broad jump, or like a triple broad jump.
PAP training methods are so effective, they're being used to train some of the world's most elite athletes.
Jump split squat is going to be boom. Up. Nice. Good. That's it.
And now P90X2 brings this advanced training direct to your home, so you too can open the door to elite fitness.
This is really the first venture that's tried to grab this top-end athlete development at the professional level and make it available to lots of people. So using PAP, we absolutely get bigger jumps, faster accelerations, shorter times out of breaks, all these big power movements. We get improved performance in our athletes.
If you want the body of a pro, you've got to train like one. And now P90X2 brings that elite level of training direct to you.